Hello all, welcome to Diagnostic Imaging Centers, Nashik City's premier outpatient imaging provider. Dr. Narayan Vinchurkar, MMBS DMRD MD Chief Radiologist. Our state-of-the-art, easily accessed center are staffed with compassionate and knowledgeable doctors and caring registered technologists. Our center is committed to the highest levels of excellence in providing healthcare and health-related services in a caring environment. We are dedicated to enhancing the health of the diverse communities we serve. Our mission is to provide you the best in outpatient imaging care. Every patient has a choice in where to go for medical imaging, and we believe that every patient deserves the best in affordable, quality care. Easy to schedule walk-in appointments and prompt, efficient, compassionate care are some of the reasons Vinchurkar Diagnostic Private Limited is the best choice across the Nashik City area. We understand that our patients come to us with urgent needs, so we provide immediate results for CT/MRI scans and immediate results to your physicians for urgent studies. All of our radiologists are board certified. We offer extended and weekend hours for your convenience. As Nashik City's leading outpatient medical imaging facility, we are thrilled to serve our community. We love our hometown because of the wonderful people who make it such an amazing place to live and work. Diagnostic Imaging Centers is centered on you, the region's only treatment center for advanced, same-day and next-day appointments. Our mission is to provide you the best in outpatient imaging care. Contact us today. +9 18048042063 or +9 12532599606.